Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Wix Studio for home and decor business. So as we know, Wix is a tool or the website that you can create easily using it. It can help you build your own site without needing to know how to code. It offers templates and tools to help you design and customize your site. Okay, so first of all you have to build the Wix editor, so you can start with here. Here you can start with AI, so you can start with the chat AI, so it can help you build your own site. So I'm gonna set up without AI. You can if you wanna set up without it. Now let's move on. Enter here your website, the kind of your website, the website type, or your business type. So home and decor. Okay, so as you see, you can choose one of these uh, type here of the business of the home and decor. So for example, I'm going to choose this one. So you can choose whatever you want. It depends on your business. So for example, I'm going to choose this one, home decorator. Okay, so enter here your business name, the business address, set up your default working hours, and you can start adding services. Okay, um, okay, let's move on. Add your stuff, the email and the name. What else do you wanna do with your business? Accept online payments, send automated emails and SMS reminders, sell digital and physical products. And now let's continue to dashboard. Now you can design your site. Click here. Okay, how would you like to design your website? You can let Wix create a site for you or customize the design template. So I'm gonna get started from here. Okay, so as you see here, you can add the logo of your website, and also you can add the name, the email, your address, the phone, and also you can add the social link. Let's move on. Pick a theme you like. Any theme match your business, match the home and decor business. So you can try your best to make your site look attractive to the customers that comes to your website. Let's move on. Okay, pick your favorite homepage design. So for example, you can pick one of these templates here, one of these themes. Okay, for example, I'm going to choose this one. You can choose whatever you like. You can easily customize the colors and the image and more. So this is it depends on your business. Add page to your site. Okay, testimonials, services, contacts. Okay, let's continue. Now wait a few seconds. Okay, now your site is up and running, so you can go to the editor to complete the design. So as you see here, this is the home page, and here you can add elements to your website. So you can design the text, the theme text, the titles, the paragraphs, the image. You can import and upload images, the buttons. So here you can customize the themed buttons, the text and the icon buttons, the icon, the image buttons. Okay, also the gallery. So you can manage this section of the galleries, the recommended galleries, pro galleries. Okay, so that's it. Now let's move on to the design. So first we start here with the header. Okay, so you can change the design if you want. So you can manage the menu, the horizontal menu, and the cart icon in the mini cart. You can manage the business. Okay, so let's move on to the next section. So the next section, as you see, you can change the title here if you want. You can keep it like this. So if you want to change it, just go to the this. So you can easily create AI text. You can regenerate another one. So you can just choose about what this text, the topic. Okay, so for example, welcome, and here you can choose the business type, for example, home and decor. Okay, just like this, and create a text. So you can choose one of these texts here. Okay, so just like this. If you want to edit the text, you can edit it from here. You can change the font. So you can choose the right font that you like and that match your homepage, this section. Okay, so just like this. If you want to change the image, you can go to the quick edit. Okay, so if you want to change the image, just go here and change it, just and search on the home and decor business. So after this, you can move on. So if you want to move this section, you can move it down or move it up just from here. Now let's move on to the next section, the subscribe form. So nothing special here, just the subscribe form and this title here. So you can change this the section if you want. So nothing special. I'm gonna skip this. This is the contact or the about section. So for example, uh, you can type here something, write something about the company, something about your business, to tell your customers some information about you. And also you can do a quick edit, like you can change the background, the color. Okay, I'm gonna keep it just like this. Now let's move on to services section. Okay, so as you see here, you can manage the services. So you can just click here. So add a new service. Okay, so here you can choose service and edit it, one of these services here. Okay, for example, this one. So after this, you can add the tagline, the description, the duration, and the price. You can customize here the prices and the payment options, the location. Okay, so that's it. After this, you can save this place and go back to this to the home page and complete here the design. So nothing special here, the same thing. You can just, if you want to change something here, just from the title and the paragraph. So like I said, you can go to the right paragraph and regenerate another one. The same thing with the image, you can change it just from here. Okay, now let's move on. Okay, so this is the last section here, the footer section. So you can add just your company name for the copyright and the paragraph, and also another one. So here, this is the email. So that's it. After this, after you're done, you can go to the preview and see if something needs to change on your business, on your homepage business. So that's it. After this, you can publish your website after you verify, and now you can start selling and start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.